Nice and lovely. So basically, this is a chicken which I marinated over the last 12 hours. I marinate this chicken, have it in my fridge. Just take it from the fridge, and now I'm going to cook it. Tray it up into a tray with some grease-proof paper. I will put the link in the description box or marinate it. What I'm going to do now is just simple. Put a little bit of barbecue sauce on top of it. Once you do that, just tip a little bit of water on it like this. Alright, not much, just a tiny little bit of water. Alright, so what you're gonna do is gonna allow the chicken for it to get sweat and bring in a lovely flavor into the chicken, and the chicken will be definitely keep soft and moisture. So we're going to cook this for roughly about 45 minutes. If you're using electric oven, please put it at 165 to 175. If you're using like gas stove, 6 or 7 is very good for it. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. Now we're going to cook this 45 minutes in the oven. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically I just take the chicken from the oven, guys. It is fabulous, marvelous. Honestly, I don't even need to cook it no longer because the chicken is so lovely and nice. It's just 100% looking so amazing and so simple. All right, look at that, juicy and nice. So the chicken is finished. All you have to do is you can share this with anything who you like to share it with, and hopefully you guys like the recipe. All right, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Yeah, chicken them look lovely and nice. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, I just put them into another tray and they come out lovely and nice into this tray. All right, so this is what Chef Ricardo been giving you. This is the ideas for you guys that you can do at home. Simple little oven roast bake chicken leg and thigh. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice and beautiful guys. So basically this is the oxtail which everyone been crying over. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook it, and it's going to be, I'm going to pressure cook it into the pressure cooker pot, and secondly I'm going to be brown it off with some garlic and white onion. This oxtail been seasoned and marinated for 1 month. I'm telling you, it's going to be a earthquake with this oxtail. It's nice, wicked recipe. So don't go anywhere, sit down and have a drink and watch this video. All right, how I marinate it, I will put the link in the description box, the way I marinate this oxtail recipe, guys. Stay tuned. Nice. So this is a pressure cooker which I'm going to be using. Massive pressure cooker, because when you do it in the pressure cooker, honestly, it's more quicker, faster. If you're gonna just cook into the pot or a duchy, it's gonna take very long. With this, it can take up to 45 minutes. All right, so what we're going to do is get a medium-sized white onion and put in it. You don't need no oil. All right, look at that. All right, so that's exactly what's going on at the moment. Now what we're going to do is get the oxtail, pour it in just like that, and as I said, the moment has come. Nice one. So now I'm going to be browning off the oxtail. It's going to take roughly about one nice good 15 minutes just to brown it off, fry it off into this pan. All right, so that's what you need to do. All right, with the white onion. In the meantime, I'm going to be putting a roughly about 6 cloves of garlic inside of it, honestly, because the garlic is going to bring in the flavor. All right, and also we want to brown it off with roughly about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. It's going to be amazing. So I'm going to squeeze some garlic like this inside of it. Look at that. That's the garlic. You need one of these to do your garlic, guys. It's the best in the world. Alright, so once you brown off it, you're good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is the oxtail which I've been browning off over the last 15 minutes now. Alright, look at that. That is just lovely and nice. What we're going to do is put some hot water from my kettle in it. Alright. Beautiful. Look at that. That is fantastic and really nice. So what we're going to do is cover the oxtail like this and allow it to steam for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to look at it back. Nice and lovely. So as you can see for yourself, I take off the lid of the pressure cooker because the meat is a little bit soft and you can't mash up it with the pressure cooker. You have to be careful, all right? Yeah, so yeah, the meat is a little bit soft. But now what we're going to do is season it up now, and you know, first thing we're going to do is put in a tin of butter bean. If you don't know what is butter bean, you need to go to the local shop or your supermarket and tell them that you're asking for butter bean to put into your oxtail at home where you're going to cook. Because you see this video on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and definitely you want to make this video. Alright. In the meantime, I'm going to put in some dumpling, which I did make earlier. Just like some little spinach. I decided to do a video specific on that, but as I say, that is coming up very soon, or you can make a spinach for your oxtail at home. Alright, not spinach where you used to make juice, you know, spinach dumpling. So I'm gonna put in that right now into the pot. It's just amazing, guys, and 100% you guys definitely going to love this because it's something new and it's something fantastic. And if you love oxtail, then this coming really handy for you. This is what everyone was waiting for. This is what you're waiting for, guys. And I decided to just do that video. I take the oxtail out of the freezer, make it out, you know what I mean, put it in your fridge overnight. And sometimes it may take a little time longer, but to be honest, yeah. But look at that. Just amazing. That's the dumpling I'm putting inside of it. Fantastic and lovely. Nice. I just finished the dumpling, but look at this. This is marvelous and amazing. The taste of it is just 100% perfect for me because I don't like a lot of salt. So I'm just gonna be just leaving it like that. You might have said all of those hot water where you put in it, because when you see when you're cooking something, guys, and you marinate it the right and proper way, to be honest, you don't need to put nothing else in it. I only put in 1 ton of water. So I'm just gonna just simple just leave it like this. Make it cook for around good 15 minutes on a medium size heat. Alright? Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is the oxtail now. It is finished. Dumpling cook. So for about 15 minutes now I have it been cooking it. Look at that. Look at the oxtail. That's really fantastic, lovely and nice. Alright. Yeah, looking good. So that's the oxtail right here, guys. Beautiful recipe. Look at that. Nice one. With the dumpling and everything, it's amazing. Alright, guys, enjoy it. And yeah, looking good and nice. Look at that. Fantastic. Really lovely. That's the oxtail I'm talking about. This is from Chef Ricardo cooking show. I will put the link in the description box how to marinate it. And honestly, that's the way how to prepare the oxtail. Alright? Yeah, fantastic and nice. And that is just beautiful. So enjoy, subscribe, and leave a comment in the description box. Alright? Tell a friend and tell a friend. Oxtail recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye. Today, you are in the VIP kitchen, and my name is Chef Ricardo, as I said before. And today we're going to do Chef Ricardo barbecue chicken. This is the whole of chicken, and we're going to put it in pieces to show you what's the difference about the chicken. Okay, today I'm going to cut my chicken in pieces. Very easy and simple. Wing. And you see, in the VIP kitchen, we cook Jamaican food, you know what I mean? I'm gonna take away the leg. Lovely. Lovely. Lovely.